We have some good news and an update to a story we've been covering for days now. Rowan Little League softball team receives an official invitation to the White House to celebrate their 2019 World Series championship win. Representative Hudson and Representative Ted Budd, whose districts include Rowan County, sent President Donald Trump a letter yesterday asking him to invite the Rowan County Little League softball team to the White House. Well, today, that letter has officially paid off. Hudson said in a statement today, quote, "I want to thank President Trump for inviting our Rowan County Little League softball team to the White House for this incredible honor. These young ladies are world champions and deserve a national celebration."